How to create group chat in Instagram. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to this guiding studio, and today's guide video will show you how you can create an Instagram group using Android or iPhone. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right into the video. Well, so now to create an Instagram group chat, simply go and open up the Instagram app from your device, and from the home page, go ahead and tap on this message icon at the top right. Now once you're here inside the DM, you'll get to see the pin icon at the top right. Go ahead and tap on this one, and from here you'll get to see the first option, create a group chat. You just need to tap on this one, and first thing first, you just need to select the people who you want inside this group. So let's say I'm going to select this person and this one and also this one, and you actually can add as many people as you want. And once you're done, you can give it a name for this specific group. For example, I'm going to type in friends, and once you're done, just simply go and tap on create chat. Now once you do that, the group will be created right over here, and if I send a message, everybody in this group can see this message. And also you can customize the group if you want to. You can tap on this profile icon at the top right, and you can actually change the theme if you want to. You can change the name and emails at the top right here, so you can do a lot of stuff right from here. This is how you can create an Instagram group. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.